Hey guys, today we're talking about Venom and the really cool updates they have planned for us in March. As you know, they have been building in testnet phase for the last year, and while there has been a little bit of controversy regarding their whole project, considering they said they have $1 billion ready to smash into the whole Web3 development, they are an Abu Dhabi based project and they were supposed to have some really great partnerships. However, recently there's been a lot of controversy regarding their management, relocation, and that kind of stuff. But they're assuring us that everything is in final stages. They have finalized all the paperwork and all the stuff is in place. So we need to look in their direction again. Their mainnet is actually launching on March 18th, so this is just a couple of weeks from today, and we can look forward to a potential airdrop, even though they have said a million times there will be no airdrop. You know how it is sometimes. Before we start, remember we have a private Discord and a community of really experienced people in airdrops and crypto in general, with a dedicated Venom channel to help keep you organized and up to date. You will understand very quickly the value of time is much, much bigger than money. And if you're willing to spend a little bit of money to save yourself a whole lot of time, that is one of the best investments you can make. Now, regarding the Venom itself, what you can do is go to venom.network and follow the simple steps to get yourself a Venom wallet. Once you have your Venom wallet, it is basically a straightforward process. You just add it to Chrome, and once you set up with the classic seed phrase and password, you are ready to get started. First thing you gotta do is get some testnet tokens. For this, you connect your newly created wallet, and once there, you have an option to explore the dApps. So here you have the 21 testnet dApps that are already in motion. And depending on your progress, you will see each one will take you maybe 5 to 10 minutes. So first time you're on their website, you will have an option to get some Venom testnet tokens. But if you ever run out, you can simply get more by following the Twitter accounts of their ecosystem partners. And once you actually want to start with the quests, you have the tasks here. Simply follow the links in the description and you will see the tasks you need to do. The simplest ones are usually following their Twitter, and this is a cool anti-Sybil method because, as you know, there's about 2 million Venom wallets already, but not 2 million Twitter accounts associated, so make sure to have your Twitter account ready. Simply after that, follow the website that is linked up here, connect your wallet, and make sure that you have your Venom password ready because you will need it every time you make a transaction on Venom network. Unfortunately, this remember password didn't work, but once your transaction is sent, it's just a couple seconds to actually confirm it. It is a very fast, scalable layer 1 blockchain in development. The transaction went through, and a couple seconds after, you can just simply check the completion, and don't forget to mint the NFT for the transaction itself. Okay, now remembering the password works. Amazing, amazing. And after, you simply repeat the tasks and all the procedures for other dApps that are listed here. Keep in mind, most of them are really simple, but for some of them, you will actually need to create accounts on separate partner websites. And in one case, you even need to download a mobile app on Play Store or App Store. Of course, we are not 100% certain that these NFTs will actually translate into airdrop, but if you're doing this, I would recommend you do all of them, even though that might be a little bit risky. With app downloads, usually projects reward the most for people with a complete set. And buying on secondary market is generally not recommended because the blockchain transactions are what count, as if there's an NFT marketplace for this yet. And that's a wrap on all the Venom updates for today. Feel free to share your thoughts and opinions in the comments below, as well as further discussions are always welcome in our private Discord. If you're ready to make 2024 amazing, we wish you good luck and looking forward to mainnet launch of March 18th. Till next time, have an amazing day.
Hi crypto fans, I will be joining the Paris Blockchain Week from 9 to 11 of April. I will be 1 week there, so I want to invite you to join me there. And I contact the event, I get a discount coupon if you want to buy your tickets. The only thing that you need to do is go to tickets, select the ticket that you want to buy. Once you are in this page on the step 1, you can select again the ticket that you want to buy. Let's say that you want this ticket. Go down here, you can see that the total is 3,480 euros, and if you put my discount code that is in the description of this video, you are going to get a 15% discount. So copy the link here, click add discount, and you can see automatically you are saving more than 400 euros in your buy. Just follow the steps to complete the payment and you're done. I hope you enjoy me there, we can meet, we can participate on this amazing event together, and hope to see you there, community.